They're losing possession. Well, only one man dominated the penalty area there, and that was the goalkeeper. Yes, it seems to have gone for a corner. Swung right in. Oh dear, he's missed his shot there. Oh, they've given the ball away. It's a throw-in. And that's a goal, there's no doubt about it. And we're back underway now. That was the opening goal, so the score's 1-0. Oh, they've got possession now, and there's space on the wing. Oh, yes, he's beaten him. Good defensive clearance, that. And the pass hasn't worked there. Goalkeeper not really extended there. Oh, what a ball there. Offside. And that's a lovely ball through. No way was that going to rebound back off the goalkeeper. Oh, that's opened up the defence. Oh, he's away. And even though he's got the ball, he's under pressure. Oh, this is good combination play. Well, that is a poor ball. They've lost possession there. Oh, that's a good clearance. No danger there. It's going to be a throw-in. No, that's not the way to pass the ball. Well, he needs to be careful here or he could lose the ball. No, they're not finding their men. And that's what they've come to see, a brilliant finish. Oh, let's see it again in the replay, yes, just inside the box. Well, a bigger margin now, the score is 2-0. A great chance to score here. And I think that's a corner, you know. They'll be jumping for this one in the middle. Yeah, simple for the keeper. Oh, they can't keep the ball. Oh, that was so incisive. Oh, incisive pass there. Oh, he's found a way through. I just wonder if he can finish. Oh, he's in a great position. He must score. Oh, that was close. That was so close to the post, and the keeper was beaten. Yes, that's good possession. There's space on the wing. Yes, that's a good clearance. And that's gone out for a throw. Very poor pass. They've lost possession. Oh, this has got possibilities, and he's got behind them. What an effort. And that's a goal, there's no doubt about it. Good build-up, close-range finish. Let's see it again. Well, it's getting exciting now. Off we go again at 2-1. Oh, they found some space to attack here. They just can't keep the ball. Dear me. Oh, clever ball there. Now then, can he finish it off? And they're going to attack the opposing fullback here. Oh, what a ball there. And he's got through. Can he finish? Oh, he's had it go here. Yes, it's a goal, and a very, very good one too. Well, this has given them a real bit of daylight now. 3-1 as we restart the game. I'm sorry, that will not do. You've got to keep possession. Good ball in behind, but can he get on the end of it? Oh, he has a go! Oh, it's a goal! What a one-sided game we've got here. Well, they didn't complete the pass there, did they? Oh, he's away! Off the woodwork, but the ball's still lively, and it still isn't away. I know what he was trying to do. No, they're not finding their men. Now, how quickly can they break out? No, that's not the way to pass the ball. They just can't keep the ball. And that's a lovely ball through. Oh, he's found a way through here. Can he finish? Oh, yes, it's in.